and it's going for $365. That's a great price. It's kind of near Sam's Town. Love what they've done with the trim on the nice fresh coat of paint. They got that nice, graded look there with the gray trim. Very nice, nice look. Let's check it out inside. We've got a nice big kitchen zone, freshly upgraded kitchen. Nice modern lighting in here, which is real nice in the kitchen zone. All the cabinets have been redone, and the fixtures and the hardware all freshly painted. Then we'll check out, we got a little laundry room right here. And we got a 2-car garage, little workbench, or you got a little extra room on the back, which is nice, a little workspace there. Very nice. Then we have, go check out our bedrooms. We got one bath. Nice, the counters have been redone with the vanity, full bath and shower. And then we've got this would be the primary bedroom with the primary bedroom, a nice walk-in closet. It's like about a 10 by 14, something like that. And then you've got the second bathroom in the primary bedroom. All nicely painted, upgraded. It's looking very nice. Then we've got 2 more bedrooms. A little extra storage space. These ones here are like maybe 10 by 11. Ceiling fans, always a good deal. And the carpet's all nice and freshly been redone. And then the same size, another size, this is another 10 by 11, something like that. Very nice. Fresh carpet. Very good. Awesome, let's take a peek outside. Got a nice fireplace there. And then we got a nice big backyard. Covered patio, and you got a real nice big yard. So, you could put a pool, spa out here if you wanted to. It looks like you got room for some RV parking on the side right here, for sure. Yep, awesome, you could do the RV parking. All right, so, it's a good deal for $365. Anything under 400K is 3 bedroom, 2 baths, good deal. All right, freshly remodeled, all painted, nicely upgraded. All right, that's another cool place. Let me know what you guys think. $365, that's a good deal. You ready to move in? It's a nice neighborhood, 3 bedroom, 2 bath. That's really affordable. And a nice big backyard, you can do something good out there. It's good as is, but you can put a pool, spa in there. Real good deal. All right, stay tuned for the next video. I'll catch you in the next one. Hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.